Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create content in WooCommerce CMS. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Pages and then click on Add New. A new page will appear where you can create custom content for your WooCommerce store like About Us, Contact, or Policy pages. Enter your page title, add your content using the editor, and then click Publish. Next, to create product-related content, go to Products, and then click Add New. Here you can enter the product title, description, price, and upload images. Scroll down to the product data section to set stock, shipping, or attributes. Once finished, click Publish to make the product live. For blog content, go to Posts, Add New. A new page will appear where you can write articles such as buying guides, product tutorials, or news updates that support your WooCommerce store. Add your content, insert images, and then click Publish. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.